What's up everyone, this is Tiffany with thegearlady.com. Today, we're filming a little bit of a different video. I'm on the floor, but that's because we're doing an unboxing video. And this isn't like a normal unboxing video, this is an excessively large package unboxing video. See this box? See why I'm down on the floor? Because it's excessive. I'm in my gear attire. I'm gonna need to be able to move around a little bit to test it out. I have tried snowboarding and wake surfing, and I recently tried surfing for the very first time in Costa Rica, and it was absolutely amazing. It was so different than what I expected, but it was so fun. They're so similar, but so different, and so I found a product that I think is actually really gonna help me with my training. Definitely feel like that kind of cross training really will help me with all three of those. Here we go. Let's unbox this bad boy. Wow, that is nice. That is sturdy. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is so cool. I'm so excited. Too excited, some would say. Dun, dun, dun. I'm feeling really nervous to be doing this, but it's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. We're gonna try it. Worst case, I fall. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Okay, alright, okay. My review of this balance board trainer. I will link this one down below. Honestly, I am so excited. I think this will absolutely help me develop my skills to get even better with wake surfing, surfing, and snowboarding. So as far as a little cross trainer, this is going to be awesome, and I think this will be so great for not only me, but I know my boys are going to love this and be so excited. It's super high quality, and I am really happy with my purchase. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like button, and go ahead and hit subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you soon in my next video. I feel like I always experience this like phase right before I try something new where I like panic a little bit. You're like, yeah, you think?